Okay, we're going to look at how to go from slope intercept form, standard form, to slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. We're given an equation number one in standard form, 6x plus 5y equals 20. That's when the x and y are on the same side. So to get slope intercept form, we want to get the y by itself. So we want to isolate the y. First step to do that is subtract 6x from each side. And you can subtract anything from anywhere. So that 6x is going to go away. We're left with 5y equals negative 6x plus 20. Keeping all the signs the same, putting the x first. Next, we have to divide each and every term by 5, because we got to get rid of the 5 in front of the y. So the 5 goes away. And what we're left with is y equals negative 6 over 5x plus 4. That's y equals mx plus b form, or slope intercept form. So we got the y by itself. Now this helps us find the y-intercept and the slope. So to find the y-intercept, it's the number by itself in the slope intercept form. So what number is by itself? That is 4. So the y-intercept is 4. That's your b. You can also find the slope easily. It's the number in front of the x. So the number in front of the x is the slope. So in this case, the number in front of the x is negative 6 over 5. That's your m. That's your slope. Now, find the x-intercept. We have to make y 0. We want to make the y equal to 0. You can do this pretty easily in either way, but probably the simplest one would be in standard form. So make the y 0 and solve for x. So we probably want to use standard form to find the x-intercept if we have it available to us. So we do have standard form. That's 6x plus 5y equals 20. Now we're going to make the y 0, so we're going to keep 6x plus 5, not times 1 anymore, times 0 equals 20. So 5 times 0, that's going to go away. Cross it out. I'm left with 6x equals 20. Solve for x, divide by 6, and get x equals, if you reduce it, you should get 10 over 3, or 3.3333333. That is your x-intercept. Right out as a coordinate there, it's 10 over 3, comma 0. Okay. Now looking if we have something in slope intercept form, but we want to get it to standard form, that means we want the x and the y on the same side. So if we write this equation out, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 10. I want to get the x and y on the same side. That's standard form. So to do that, I'm going to add 2/3 x to each side. Make sure the numbers, the coefficients, the numbers in front of the variables and the variables stay together. So you get 2/3 x plus y equals 10. Now the key thing here is we don't want any fractions in standard form in the first. So we want to multiply by that bottom number, that denominator, and that's 3. You multiply 1 by 3, multiply everything by 3. That cancels out the first 3's. So you're left with 2x, because the 3's go away, plus 3 times y is 3y equals 30. That becomes your standard form. Okay, now, the x and the y-intercept, we can look at the slope intercept form. So look at that top equation. What's the number that's by itself? 10. Right, so according to 0, comma 10, your y-intercept. Slope, the number in front of the x. The number in front of the x, negative 2/3. X-intercept, we want to use the standard form that we just found. The standard form we just found. Make y 0. So we got 2x plus 3y equals 30. We write that now, y is 0. So 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 30. 3 times 0 goes away. I'm left with 2x equals 30. Divide each side by 2. You get x equals 15. Coordinate pair is 15, comma 0.